Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. I am your teacher Aarti Pathak. Our today's topic is rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. अब आपके मन में ये प्रश्न आ रहा होगा कि हम नंबर्स को राउंड ऑफ क्यों करेंगे. You heard some sentences from the news channel such as the population of tigers in India is roughly 1700. Second sentence, the cost of the mobile is around rupees 9000. There are about 200 students in the school assembly. अब यहाँ पर जो words हैं roughly, around, about are used to tell the rounded of numbers rather than the exact number. अब यहाँ पर ये जो आपको numbers हैं 1700, 9000, 200, they are approximate number, not the exact कि exact 200 student are in the assembly. For example, यहाँ पर roughly 1700 tigers means there are close to 1700 tiger, but not exactly 1700 tigers in the India. Let's understand how to rounding off numbers to the nearest tens. हम numbers को rounding off कैसे करेंगे? First example, round off the numbers to the nearest tens. There are two examples. First is 58 and second is 92. First, there are two methods to round off the number. First by drawing the number line and second by some rules. So first you understand how we can round off the numbers through a number line. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन शोइंग 50 to 60. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे नंबर है 58. 58 कम्स इन बिटवीन, उसके जो मल्टीपल्स है जिनके आसपास वो आ रहा है उससे 58 से छोटा है 50 और उसमें जो नियरेस्ट उसका मल्टीपल है वो है 60. तो हम यहाँ पर एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे जो होगी 50 से 60 के बीच की. तो हियर वी हैव ड्रॉन अ वन नंबर लाइन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 एंड 60. अब हमें ये देखना है कि ये जो 58 नंबर है ये राउंड ऑफ होके 50 के नियर जा रहा है या 60 के नियर जा रहा है. तो इट इज क्लियरली सीन दैट 58 इज क्लोजर टू 60. 58 ज्यादा किसके क्लोजर दिखाई दे रहा है? 60 के. सो व्हाट इज अवर आंसर? 58 is rounded off to 60. Understood? Now the second example, 92. We can draw a number line which is showing. अब 92 comes in between the multiple of 10. 92 किस किस के बीच में आएगा? 90 and 100 के बीच में. So we can draw a number line which showing 90 to 100. अब यहाँ पर हमने number line draw कर दी. उसमें हमने 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. अब ये जो 92 है ये 90 और 100 के बीच में है, बट ये किसके ज़्यादा क्लोजर है? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. अब आप जब ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो 92 इज मोर क्लोजर टू 90 देन 100. 92 ज़्यादा क्लोजर है 90 के. सो व्हाट इज अवर आंसर? 92 is rounded off to 90. This is how we have done through a number line. Now there are some rules to round off the numbers to the nearest tens. We can understand one by one. To rounding off numbers to the nearest 10, first look at the digit in the ones place. अगर मुझे किसी भी नंबर को nearest to 10 round off करना है तो I have to look at the ones place digit. Now what is the rule? If the digit in the ones place is 4 or less than 4, अगर ones place की digit पर मुझे या तो 4 या less than 4 दिखाई देगा तो what I do? Write 0 in the ones place. Ones place will become 0 and tens place, hundreds place digit remains the same. This is rule number 1. Now we can apply rule number 1 to understand the concept and with the example. First example is round off the numbers to the nearest 10. First is 73. First arrange them in the place value chart. 7 at the tens place, 3 at the ones place. Now according to the rule, look at the digit in the ones place. हमने ones place की digit को देखा. If the digit in the ones place is 4 or less than 4, अब यहाँ पे कौन सी condition fulfill हो रही है? It is less than 4. Okay, so we can apply this rule number 1. write 0 in the ones place. इस ones place पर in place of 3 we can write 0 at the ones place, and tens place digit remains the same. उस tens place पे जो digit है it will remain same. So what is our answer? 73 rounded off to the nearest 70. 73 is closer to 70. Understand? Understand the second example. 402. First, arrange 402 in the place value chart. 2 at the ones place, 0 at the tens place, 4 at the hundreds place. Now, according to the rule, look at the digit in the ones place. इस ones place की digit को देखिए, it is 2. If the digit in the ones place is 4 or less than 4, अब यहाँ पे फिर से वही condition आ रही है, it is less than 4, 4 से छोटा है. So write 0 in the ones place. जो ones place पर digit है उसकी place पर आप 0 लिखेंगे, and the tens and hundreds, यहाँ पर 3 digit number है, so we can write what we can write at the tens place and the hundreds place. Tens place, hundreds place digit remains the same. जो tens place और hundreds place पर digit है वो वही रहेगी, as it is रहेगी. So ones place will become 0, tens place as it is, hundreds place as it is. So what is our answer? 402 किसके नियर है? राउंडेड ऑफ होने के बाद क्या आंसर आ रहा है? 402 rounded off to nearest 400. I hope you understood the first rule, how to find the rounding numbers. Now understand the rule number 2. In the rule number 1, we understand if the digit in the ones place is 4 or less than 4, तो हमने उसको कैसे find out करा rounding off number. Now, according to the rule number 2, look at the digit in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, अगर आपको ones place की digit पर 5 या 5 से बड़ा नंबर कोई दिखाई देगा तो अब आप उसको कैसे round off करेंगे? Write 0 in the ones place. It is same in the rule number 1 also and same in the rule number 2 also. That means in both the rules, write 0 in the ones place. Add 1, that means plus 1 to the digit in the tens place. अब यहाँ पर ये change है कि in the rule number 1 we will write the tens place digit as it is, but in the rule number 2, if it is ones place 5 or more than 5, write 0 in the ones place and add 1 or simple plus 1 to the digit in the tens place. Now understand by some examples. Example number 1 is 76. Arrange them in the place value chart. 6 at the ones place, 7 at the tens place. Look at the digit in the ones place. It is more than 5. That means it is more than 5. Then we can apply the rule number 2. राइट 0 इन द वंस प्लेस. जो डिजिट है उसकी प्लेस पर आपने 0 लिख दिया एंड एड 1 प्लस 1 टू द डिजिट इन द टेंस प्लेस. जो डिजिट आपको टेंस प्लेस पर दिखाई दे रही है उसमें आपको प्लस 1 करना है. सो 7 प्लस 1 इज 8. सो 76 इज राउंडेड ऑफ नियरेस्ट टू 80. 76 किसके क्लोजर होगा? नियर टू 80. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड अ 3 डिजिट एग्जाम्पल. 435. Arrange them in the place value chart. 5 at the ones place, 3 at the tens place, 4 at the hundreds place. Look at the digit in the ones place. It is 5. तो look at the digit in the ones place. It is 5. तो हमने apply कौन सा करा? Rule number 2. Write 0 in the ones place. इस ones place digit को हमने क्या लिख दिया? 0. And add 1 plus 1 to the digit in the tens place. अब ये जो tens place पर digit है इसमें हमने plus 1 कर दिया. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and as it is 4. So 435 rounded off nearest to 440. 435 किसके nearest होगी? 440 के. See the example number 3. 899. Arrange them in the place value chart. 9 at the ones place, 9 at the tens place, 8 at the hundreds place. Look at the digit in the ones place. Look at the digit in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, यहाँ पर क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? It is more than 5. 5 से बड़ा है. तो अब हमारे पास रूल क्या है? Write 0 in the ones place. इस ones place 9 को हम क्या बना देंगे? 0 and add 1 plus 1 to the digit in the tens place. टेंथ प्लेस पर जो भी डिजिट है उसमें हमें +1 करना है. So 9 + 1 is 10. 10, 0 and 1 is carry over on the hundreds place. So 1 + 8 is 9. So 899 rounded off nearest to 900. So these are two rules to understand how we will round off the numbers nearest to tens. According to rule number 1, if the ones place digit is 4 or less than 4, write 0 in the ones place and the tens place digit will remain same. And according to the rule number 2, if the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the digit in the tens place. I hope you understood this topic, how to round off the numbers to the nearest tens. Do practice with some more other numbers. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next class.